Hello everyone, I'm Stefan Halverson. Welcome to Halverson's Garage YouTube channel. This channel is focused around my family and I do throughout the year in our car hobby. Everything from playing around with our drag cars, much like the one my grandma behind me right here, to our nice original cars, going on cruises, going to shows, and do a little rock crawling as well. Since I did dabble in off-road for a while, and I still have my Jeep, so I do that every so often. But also a lot of content here from the garage. We do most of our own work on pretty much everything. So everything from building engines, chassis work, transmissions, ends, paint jobs. Just a lot of good content you guys may enjoy. And with that being said, I'll quit my jabbering over here. Let you guys enjoy the show. Good afternoon, guys. It's Wednesday evening. Got home from work a few minutes ago. We're getting ready to load everything up for our 4th of July weekend at Brainerd International Raceway. It's our home track, Brainerd, Minnesota, about 3 hours from us. So we got this car garage open. Got Wild Thing in the 78 by the door over there, and then we got the crew cab on the enclosed over here. Getting that kind of set up. We got some stuff out in the yard right now. We also have the open deck trailer over here out, and the other, my dad's work truck, and there's Super Duty for some other stuff we got going on over there. I'll explain about that later. We got Dad right here. He's right now getting a couple things done on the 24-foot enclosed. And we got the 48 over here, which is just getting some stuff loaded up inside of it. As you can see, it's still pretty empty. Got the golf cart in here, and then cabins are all full and that kind of stuff. So we'll load that up here in a few minutes. We'll go in the shop here, see what we got going on right now. I grabbed one all ready to go in here. I worked on this last night. I forgot to make some footage. I was just really tired after work. Decided to get it pounded out. So just did my general looking underneath, make sure the car looks nice everywhere else. Check bolts, check fluids. Got it all clean under the hood here and stuff. And then I also changed my class because I got some more tuning out of it last time we were at Brainerd, so I bumped up a class. So I'm an SE1 with this car instead of SE2. So cutoff size 11.5. It's got a pretty mild motor in this car, even though it looks like a full race car. So now we got the ground all ready to go. I'll be driving this outside here in a few minutes, get it put in the 2-car enclosed after the golf cart's tied down quick. Well, we'll tie the golf cart down first, and then we'll put the ground one in there. Just because it's kind of it's a tight squeeze fitting 2 cars in there on the golf cart. But it is a 48, so there's enough room. It's just not quite as much room for activities as other trailers maybe. But anyway, so I'll get this loaded up on the trailer, and then we'll get Wild Thing brought over here to get that checked over, so that's ready for my mom to run. And after that, it'll be the 78 AMX, which will go in the 24-foot. So I'm gonna get to it. Wild Thing up on the rack here finally. I was gonna tape the coming in the garage actually, but like every other day up here in northern Minnesota, it keeps calling for rain. So we actually had some rain coming, so we hurried up, got the gremlin in the trailer, this car in here, and then the 78 in the other trailer. So we don't have to worry about the rain anymore, because we're trying to at least not have the trailers fully full of gravel from our driveway before we go there. That's kind of the goal anyway, but we'll see what happens. So I still got to check over Wild Thing here. So, but yeah. Anyway, we get to work on this thing. Just kind of taking a little quick overview, and we're ready to put it in the dang trailer. Well, we're at about 9:30 at night. Finally got the last of the cars put in the trailer after hitting the 24-foot enclosed, fully packed up with the 78 AMX, and then actually putting cars in this trailer for the first time, getting tied out and sorted out, everything else. Finally got it all in there. So we got Wild Thing at the back right here. We're just gonna have our spare kind of float right there for the moment. We got Wild Thing tied down, and then we got Gremlin in the front over here. All of our table and chairs over there. I got some pool noodles for the cables on the door. I was gonna actually set our front runners bolted to the wall down there just in case. Some rugs for camping. All of our cabinets are all full of stuff. We got our fluid holder over there. Curtain we're gonna use, kind of put across this area where the AC comes out. AC and heat, just in case it gets too cold. We can kind of section off the trailer a little bit. And then got our pizza oven, because everybody loves pizza at the track. And we also got our whiteboard up in here, just to make sure, you know, we gotta have room for data and stuff. I'm kind of a whiteboard connoisseur. So I'm a mechanical engineer the rest of the time at my day job, so I kind of got a thing for whiteboards, as in I'm in the shop a little more, you guys see that more. But anyway, got our fridge all mounted up in there, cabinets, all sleeping stuff up in front, and the golf cart all up in here. So we're pretty much fully loaded and ready to go to the track tomorrow. So I got a couple little things. I got to put gas in the, I got race gas in the cans, which goes in the box you put in the tongue. And then we should be ready to go inside the house here, take a shower, pack up clothes, and head over to the track tomorrow morning. So we'll see you guys on the 4th. Happy 4th of July, everyone. We are en route to Brainerd International Raceway right now. I got the gooseneck on the dually right now. Going down the road. Got my mom behind me in the my dad's work truck in the trailer for other activities we got going on, which you guys see that later. And my dad's behind that in the Super Duty, the black Super Duty with the 24 foot. So we got, you can see him in the mirror back there, pretty far back, but we're moving. That's the main thing. So see you guys in 3 hours. ready to go and start having some fun. Get camp set up and start hanging out with some friends and We're early enough to get the cars tucked in today too, so we can get that out of the way. So, hell yeah. Since it was raining, we got to the racetrack and we let our extra vehicle along. We had some, we had to go do some chores for a few minutes. That ended up being another javelin. So we got a 73 javelin on the trailer right here. So, officially got everything all set up now. Didn't get time checking the cars though, so we got to check in all 3 cars tomorrow morning. But we did actually are able to get all of our rugs put out, awnings up, got some lights going, as you know, for the 4th and stuff. Golf cart looking fresh over here, and getting some brats on the grill here, get some food in us finally since we haven't eaten yet today. Getting that set to go up in there. I got my trailer all ready to go with my bed up in the front here and stuff ready to go. So a little more crude in here, but you know, kind of everything be perfect. So this was the first setup we kind of did. This is the trailer I've had for a while now. Just kind of set up with the bed in the front. It's a 24 foot, so it fits everything inside here pretty nicely, and gets the job done. So, and that's from the last guy. That was from the Ford that used to go in here. got an 11:48 pass at a 161.60 foot. Not my best, but okay. 7:29 to the 8th at 94, and 11:44 to 116.39. So not too bad for our first pass out. And the weather today is absolute trash. So it's hot, muggy, humid. That's very bad weather for time slips, as we all know. So, but we'll ready to go for our index class here in a second, and then we'll see you guys. Thank you guys for watching my first video. If you enjoyed what you saw, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button there too, and we'll catch you all later.